How to share Crunchyroll account. Hello everybody and welcome to our channel. Today you're gonna learn how you can share your Crunchyroll account, so please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. First of all, I'm going into the prices. I'm going to exit here into the 14-day trial because there are three different options: the fan, mega fan, and this mega fan, but you're gonna pay per year, okay? So if you select the fan plan that is the cheaper between the three, you must to know that this is gonna be available in one device at a time. So you can just share your credentials with some other people, with your friend, but just be really sure that both of you are not in Crunchyroll at the same time. On the other hand, if you decide yourself for the MegaFan plan, you're going to be able to stream on up to 4 devices at a time. So you can share your credentials with your friends, and in that way, you're going to be able to be both of you at the same time in Crunchyroll. You must know that you must share your own credentials. I mean, you're not going to create like a different password for your friend or like a different username. No, it's your same username and your same password that your friend is going to be using. Okay. And with this plan is the same. You can stream on up to 4 devices at a time. Also, be conscious that if you decide to share your Crunchyroll account with your friends, you're not going to be able to have different profiles like in Netflix, for instance, that you have like 4 or 5 different profiles, and each profile has like different sections and different series on currents. Here it's quite different because all the animes your friends and you are watching right now are going to be like in the same profile. And for example, if both of you are looking at the same anime, so probably if your friend is, I don't know, like 2 or 3 chapters ahead of you, so this could be inconvenient for you. So I just want to let you know that by now you can't create different profiles here in Crunchyroll, and you must be really sure with who are you sharing the account with, okay? And that's how you can do it. You just have to complete this process with the MegaFan plan, and obviously you're gonna be able to share it with 3 more people if you want to, if the 4 devices are gonna be available at a time, okay? If not, just remember you can share your own credentials and be really sure both of you are not going to be in Crunchyroll at the same time. And that's how you can do it. Thanks for watching.